first people awake are me, Bennett, Spittle, and Eric, who's making chili this night.
Oh shit. Fuck. How you doing?
Morning.
Hi.
Can you throw me my bagel or my thing when you're done?
Where?
My Eggo waffle.
You want me to throw it? I'll catch it. Just wait till I do.
Skiing pains. Incredible how nice it is to just walk normally in snow boots. You're not a part of ski school, Nash?
Huh?
Are you not a part of ski school?
No, I'm experienced.
Oh, damn. Carry ski school. Sean, Eric, kicking it. First groom run of the day. I'm just gonna go all the way down. Nash and I did a run real quick because the croup was taking a long time and I had to pee. So then we ended up catching up with them. Caught up with Bennett and Jamie, who had to get day passes. And the rest of the squad. No. Bro, this is insane. Okay, Cam. Okay, Cam. Cook.
Down the double blue and immediately wiped out.
Dude, that was like...
Yeah, Polar Queen. Kind of nice.
Yeah, it's chill.
Kind of nice.
Very chill. Hey, we were
Think we can yell at him?
Nash!
Yeah, Nash!
Get it, Nash!
Yeah, Nash!
We go, Nash!
Yeah!
You know he is...
He's tired. Yeah, he has to be exhausted.
Did you see him do the little spin move?
Yeah. Yes, classic. We found Nash. There he is. There he is.
We made it.
And then I accidentally did another mobile one.
You didn't know?
But that one, the second one was only a blue, not a double.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was when we were like, those are big moguls, that's not like crazy. And then when we got to the bottom and looked out, I was like, that's so long.
Yeah. Lunchtime.
Wait, he just gets by. Oh. Be chill.
Oh, that snow is fucking cold. Cam and I tried to send Sea Forever all the way down. We didn't make it, so we had to take a double black. Thoughts on the double black?
You know, I think I should go pro at this point. I mean,
No falls this guy on the double black. Sign him up. Burton, give him a call. Oh, fuck me. Tried to follow Bennett into the trees. Ugh. Did not work out very well for me. Bennett made it out. Ugh. And Sean drove by. But me, I got stuck in the trees. Ugh. Made it out though, and that's what matters. Trees were no fun, Sean. What happened? Following your ass. It was like, this might be the last one. It's like up to my waist in fucking snow. Yeah, we can just go straight down.
Yeah.
Keep going down.
No, you went off the little thing. You fell what, waist deep?
Yeah. For my first step, I was like, oh, I can go, and then I tried to go down the thing. I was like, no way.
I had to turn around because I was like, fuck, my options are little like moguls to get back down to the course. I was like, fuck this. So I went back another entrance to get up in there.
But yeah, we can do this again. Or there's
I find that jump.
There's one at the beginning.
Go down that trail.
Look what we found.
You want to go that way? Where's Cameron?
We lost
wrong
him.
turn, we lost him.
Yeah, we lost him.
He's already at the cabin.
Oh, he is?
I didn't think he was.
We told him meet us down here. That's what his message said. Most of the time I go with Jimmy. Jimmy just leads the way.
Jimmy C?
No, Jimmy Strasburg. The homie.
Who's that guy?
Do you know?
His actual friend Jimmy?
Chipmunk. We're gonna try to find a way to the house via the trails. Sean said he knows the way, so I'm just gonna put all my faith into Sean.
Like, the difference is snow's gonna be pushing it off the board, and if you put it on the front, it'll be pushing it to the board.
That was very short-lived. This thing is so loose, holy shit. Is that Bennett? That has to be Bennett. Yard sale? What happened?
I started hitting some bumps, I didn't slow down. Dude, I fucking worked out hard. I don't know where this piece goes. My ass hurts so bad.
I lost sight of you and I was like, this is pretty bumpy.
It's hella bumpy.
I don't know. Oh, this definitely broke. Whatever this is. I just don't know what it is. It might not even be mine. Oh wait, this is broken. Oh, that's broken right there. Dude, what do I do on a broken ski? I have to fucking pay for it, don't I?
I don't know.
Dude. Fuck.
I didn't even see the website.
Some great content.
No, this better not get in the vlog. I'm not signing a release for this. Dude, my ass hurts so bad.
Huge. Big.
This is.
That was so much easier.
Big. Now let's see it. Let's see the other one. Oh!
What, did it go in?
It clipped. I heard it click.
I don't really know how skis are supposed to work.
Later, bro!
We're in business.
We need to find a better way to get to the house, but overall it's not too bad. It's just a short little walk. I think once we get to where that stop sign is, it's just straight for maybe 50 yards or so, so it's not too bad.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.